Getting started online can feel complicated, but it doesn't have to be. This is what I use, and you can try it too.
In this video, I'm going to show you how Dashnix PowerTech works and what's truly possible with the lifetime license that you can claim from this page. Now, Dashnix PowerTech consists of two independent platforms, one of which is the Dashnix PowerTech website builder that you are looking at right now, and that allows you to build any style, any language, HTML-based, lightning-fast, mobile responsive website with unlimited multiple type of pages on the website. And the second platform is Dashnix PowerTech Store Builder that allows you to build an e-commerce store in any currency with unlimited any type of products on your store, and you can sell those products without extra processing fees. So let me walk you through both of the platforms and let me show you exactly how it works. Now, launching a website on Dashnix PowerTech Website Builder is as simple as going to websites, adding add website here, and just provide the name for your site, provide a title, click add a website, and your website will be launched with all the functionality ready out of the box. And once your website is ready, you'll be taken to the command hub where you have access to everything. You have access to all the pages on your site. You can also create projects and organize pages in projects so that you can better navigate your website on the back end. And then you can also access the website settings, which typically are necessary when you just launch your website and you want to do some basic customization like uploading a logo, setting up the styles, providing scripts, XML sitemaps, uploading source files for your templates with all the optimization so your website is loading super fast, and then generating legal pages, about page and contacts page, or adding a custom domain. And once you have these things in place, then you can go ahead and start to add pages for your site. And you can add lead generation pages from our templates. So use any of our templates, provide the basic details here, and you'll have the lead generation page ready in minutes. You can also organize the sweepstakes campaigns to generate leads for your business. You can create redirect pages or create custom page from scratch or upload an HTML file if you are using a template. Now, in order to kind of not take this demo too long, I have uploaded a bunch of different samples just to share with you what's possible here. And if you go here, you can see that we can, launch a portfolio site, we can launch a consultancy website, and literally there's no limitations. You can have video backgrounds if you want. Like, there is no limitations of what's possible and what you can build on Dashnix PowerTech Website Builder. Now, just to show you some things here, let me just take you to our editor and show you how our limitless editor works. So I've created this page from scratch using what you see is what you get editor here. And as you can see, all I did, I just provided the text. And if I would like to add a video, I can add a video, or I can, browse for the images here. And I can do any kinds of customizations and styles and literally anything I want. And if I click preview here, you can see, that this page was created from scratch, no template, no nothing. This is just as simple. What you see is what you get editor. And sometimes that's all you need. Now, if you want to build something fancy, you can go to Google, type in HTML templates, and you can see there are 2.9 million results available in Google with literally thousands and thousands of HTML templates that you can freely download. And any one of these HTML templates will be working with Dashnix PowerTech platform, allowing you to build the website that you truly want. And best part is that most of these templates are for free, so you don't have to pay anything. Now, if you want to edit something, you can, use one of our limitless editor functionalities. We have literally 4 editors built into one. You have the code editor, that's for more advanced folks. You have the inline editor, which allows you to update any text on any template and literally see exactly how it will look like. So you can, replace your name here with your name, and that's it. And it's going to be replaced automatically. You can see everything in different devices, how your website will look on different devices. You can update any text. You can update images. There is literally nothing that you can't do here with our inline editor. Now, if you are building something from scratch, and let me show you this real quick. If you, let's say, want to build a page from scratch, you click Create Custom Page, click Next, and it will give you this kind of blank page right here. And then what you can do, you can access our Page Designer, which is a drag and drop designer that allows you to build literally anything you want. You can just select the type of things that you want to use. You can, type any block here, and literally you can build the website exactly how you want. And again, you have everything in these devices, so you can see exactly how your website will look like. And then you can just go ahead and update text or update any image, and customize everything how you want so that you can have a beautiful looking website built from scratch. Right? So there are 4 different editors available. Is what you see is what you get editor, which is this blank page that you can literally launch pages right away. You have the Page Designer, you have the code editor as I shared before, and you have also inline editor, which allows you to update text automatically on front of the page. So if we go to literally any template here, and this is the last bit I will show you about the website. So if I go to here to, let's say, this charity website, and let's say I want to update, some text there, I can go to my inline editor here, and I can just select any text and update that text and update images, update everything I want to make it look exactly how I want. That's the power of Dashnex PowerTech Website Builder. And now let's take a look at the Dashnex PowerTech Store Builder. Just like with the Website Builder, launching a store is as simple as completing this new store wizard with some basic information such as store name, time zone, primary currency, and you can really choose any currency you want for your store, contact information, and then integration with the payment processor that you choose. Or if you are doing a local delivery, you can just select the local delivery and you don't need that integration at all. And once you complete that wizard, your store is ready and you get a dashboard just like this with functionality ready out of the box, and you can start to just add a product and start to sell in minutes. There are lots of features in here, and obviously I'm not going to be able to show all of them in this video, but you can find and read a lot about that on the page below this video. Now, what I want to show you though is a couple of things here. And one of those is the way how you can add products to your store. So you can add products by just manually adding them one by one, which for some people, it works very well. And you can also import products from a CSV file. So if you have a large inventory with products, you can just select import from CSV, drag and drop that file here, match a couple of fields, and you'll have everything ready for launch. Now, there are other ways how you can add products to your store as well. So, for example, if you are building a dropshipping store and you want to dropship products from AliExpress, you can go to AliExpress, search for the product, select any product you want, and then use our Chrome extension called Xamator that you get with the Dashnex PowerTech lifetime license, and literally import that product with 2 clicks. And you can add that product to your store and then fulfill orders and all of those things with just a couple of clicks. And there are lots of features available inside of the store builder, so I'm obviously not able to cover all of them. You can organize categories or views, set up different settings for the pages. But there are a couple of things I want to show you real quick. For example, you can clone a product with just 1 click. And what you can do with that clone is you can create a private product page and customize that private product page. So let me show you how that works. You can go to edit products, and there are lots of features in there, as you'll see. So you can, change this from, let's say, draft. You can change this to private, and then you can select, whatever category you want. Let's say this is hoodie. And you can select a Google category as well for that, whichever you want, depending on what you want. And then you can, enable special, for example, call outs such as, let's say, sale or special or discount or feature it, for example, right? So whatever you want, it will highlight the images right away. You can set up different pricing here for each variant. And you can, as you can see, add any kind of variant you want, colors and color codes, and customize your pages really to get results, right? All of this is designed to help you to get results. You can set up timers, for example. You can enable a progress bar and set up a custom buttons and things like that. So there are lots of things that you can do and customize in order to get results. And now, as you can see, this is the page where we added the sale. Obviously, you need to change the title here, but you can see the progress bar, timers, related products automatically. And you can literally select any option, click add product to the cart, get redirected to the cart, get the cart timers there, use the coupons, and there's everything is designed to get you results. There's obviously, hundreds of different features, and for that reason, we have built an extensive knowledge base where you can find tutorials and training for whatever you need in order to get your store the way how you want it. And we have excellent support as well. You can see here that we have, if you scroll back up here, we have 92% satisfaction rating. We provide excellent support all the time. People are extremely satisfied with our support because we are dedicated to help you to get results quickly. Now, the final thing that I want to show you here is something truly powerful. I don't know if you are familiar with this tool called GTmetrix, and I want to show you the speed of our website. So this is the page that you are on right now, and I'm going to show you how quickly it loads, how fast it is, and that's what you can expect when you build a store or website on Dashnext PowerTech platform. Speed is essential today. If your speed is slow, if you are not kind of getting page to loading fast, then you will have a hard time to get any results. And we are all about results. As you can see, we have the A grade rating. We have 583 milliseconds loading time. And this is just lightning fast. So make sure you check all the information below. There are lots of features available inside of the store builder and inside of the website builder. So regardless of what you want to build, what do you want to launch, you can absolutely do that on Dashnext PowerTech platforms using the lifetime license that you can claim from the page where you are watching this video. So check all the information below and give us a try today.
If you want to try this yourself, check the link in the description or pinned comment.